Chapter 11, Houses We Live In. So you are going to join the dots, okay, and color it and tell me in the class what you got. Fine children, we'll go to lesson. We live in a house with our family. So we all live with our family. That is called as house. The house where we live is our home. So where we are living? We are living at home. Where we live at home. The house where we live is our home. Our house keeps us safe. So you know children, our house is safe for us. So it protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain, animals and thieves. So house protect us from heat, cold, wind, rain, animals and thieves. So let's see the types of houses. So we can see so many types of houses around us. Yes, some houses are big and some houses are small. Some houses such as bungalows are pakka houses. So what is pakka houses, children? Pakka houses is called bungalows. Okay, some houses such as bungalows are called pakka houses. They are strong. So obviously strong houses are called pakka houses. That's why we used to say bungalows are called pakka house. So and made up of bricks, steel and cement. So pakka houses are made up of bricks, steel and cement, and this house is strong. Next, some houses such as huts, note children, huts are kacha houses. So we know huts are not strong. Yes, it's small also. So some houses such as huts are called kacha house. So what is kacha house, children? Houses such as huts are called kacha houses. They are made up of mud and straw. Usually they are made up of mud and straw. That's why it's not strong. Okay? And are not very strong. Some houses have thatched roof. So thatched roof made up of dried straw, twigs and grasses. So thatched roof made up of dried straw, twigs and grasses. So in this topic we have seen what is pakka house and what is kacha house. So pakka house, bungalows are called pakka house. The strong houses are called pakka house and it made up of bricks, steels and cement. Okay, and the next is kacha house. Huts are called kacha house. They are made up of mud and straw and they are not strong. So next, most houses have flat roof. See the picture, they have given two picture here. So this is flat roof like our house. Here buildings and all made like this. Yes, houses on the mountain usually have sloping roof. Okay, see the first picture, this is sloping roof house. So this helps snows and rains to slide off easily. Yes, we don't have so much of snows here. We don't have snows, we don't have so much of rainfalls. That's why our house and all there with the flat roof. Okay, near the mountain they will get rain constantly. Okay, so that's why they all will keep sloping roof. So let's see the inside a house. Okay, every house have different types of rooms. A house usually has different rooms for different uses. Why we need rooms? For different uses. So we cannot bath in the kitchen. Correct, children? So we cook our food in the kitchen. So we cook our food in the kitchen. Yes, mama will cook. Yes, we wash and bath in the bedroom. In the bedroom, correct, children? No, bathroom. Yes, correct. We wash and bath in the bathroom. We sleep and rest in the bedroom. We eat food in the dining room. So, many houses we don't use dining rooms separately. But if you see in the bungalows or big houses, we have dining room separately. We relax and sit with our guests in the drawing or the living room. Okay, it called as living room or drawing room. We should keep our house neat and clean. We should keep our house neat and clean. So children, you also help to your parents to keep our house clean. If you get any garbage, where you supposed to throw? In the living room? Bedroom? No, in the garbage dustbin. Okay, children? Yes. Next, see the values. Our values. We should help our parents. I said no, children. You should help your parents. So, to keep our home clean, we should help our parents to keep our homes clean. We should keep our things in the proper places. We should not litter the floor. Let's remember. So, this is the lesson review. Okay. The house we live in is called our home. So, if anyone asks what is home, if teacher asks what is home, what you supposed to say, children? The house we live in is called our home. Houses are of different types. Houses are of different types. Houses usually has different rooms for different uses. We should keep our house clean. We should keep our house dirty. No, clean. Very good. We should keep our house clean. Okay, keywords. Home. So I asked no, children. If I ask what is home, what you will say? The house we live in. The house we live in. Pakka house. A strong house made up of bricks, cement and steel is called Pakka house. A strong house made up of bricks, cement and steel. Kacha houses, a house made up of mud and straw that is not very strong. Roof, the top of a house that covers it. a kind of roof with one end higher than the other, sloping roof. Litter, to make something untidy by leaving things on the ground. To make something untidy by leaving things on the ground. Thank you, children.